Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I really wanted to do a festival look because festival season is coming up very soon. So I thought I would create a look that you could wear to a festival. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So I'm going to be using two different palettes today because they do have two different colours. So I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Textured palette and also the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm taking the shade Sandalwood, this one right here, on a big fluffy blending brush. Pack that in my crease. Create that nice transition shade. The next shade I'm going to take is Henna, which is just this one right here next to Sandalwood. Just gonna blend that. Then we're going to go into the Desert Dusk palette and I'm going to take the shade Saffron right here. Just going to take that on a small blending brush just to add depth to it. And then go back in with the other blending brush and grab the shade Sandalwood and blend everything together. So what I'm going to do now is go in with the Stila, what is this? Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow eyeshadow in the shade Kid and Karma. So what I'm going to do is create a cut crease with this. I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Midnight Cowboy. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to line my cut crease, so just where the line starts. Okay, so after that's done, what I'm going to do is go in with the Desert Dusk palette, Nefertiti right here, this nice gold shade. I'm going to put that on my brow bone. Now I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Glitter Glue and I'm going to stick glitters right there. Those little silver like iridescent ones. I just got these from Spotlight for like $5. So, and they are face safe, just so you're wondering. Just going to put some of the glitter glue on the back of my hand. Okay, so I'm just going to put that on my brow bone. This will make the glitter stay so easily. And then I'm just going to go in with the glitter. And just... Oh my gosh, that looks so cool. Okay, so now I'm just going to quickly put on some lashes and I'm just going to use the Lily lashes in the style Miami. So now it's time to go in with the primer, Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer I love this primer for on hot days. I use it and my makeup does not budge, like it just doesn't move. So it's fantastic, and I imagine it'd be great for a festival. And for foundation, I'm going to go in with a pretty full coverage foundation, but like feels nice and lightweight. NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is a new one and I've used it once and I loved it. Like, it is such full coverage. It looks beautiful on the skin and it doesn't feel like you're wearing that much makeup. By the way, I'm in the shade Punjab. And then for concealer, I'm going to go in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade Custard. And then to bake my under eyes, I'm going to go in with the Derma Blend Translucent Loose Powder. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. This is just in the shade Transparent. So to complete the eyes, I'm going to go back in with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. And I'm going to take the shade we put in our crease, Henna. I'm also going to take the shade we used in the Desert Dusk palette, Saffron. So this one right here. A tiny bit of that and focus it on the outer part. And then of course going in with mascara, this is the Benefit Roller Lash. I have the little mini size. Oh, I love that sound. I love this mascara. I'm going to take a gold glitter. You can see that. This is again from Spotlight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Go back in with that Too Faced glitter glue. I'm going to contour and I'm going to use the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Then to bronze, I'm going to go in with MAC Give Me Sun. Next step, before anything else, before I forget, I'm going to set my eyebrows with the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 3. To add a bit of colour on the cheeks, I'm going to go in with the Balm Down Boy. Now it's time for highlighter, and I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Hustler Baby. We are going to be doing glitter here after, so you don't have to put too much on, but I'm like, even if it's gonna get covered, still need it on. This bow. chin. Okay, so back in with the glitter, I'm going to be using 2 different colours and like mix them together. I'm going to go back in with this iridescent one we used on the brow bone and also this gold one. So I'm going to go back in with a Too Faced glitter glue. I'm just going to tap that where I want to put it. So I'm going to go in with those glitters. Now, oh! Okay, now that we've put that glitter on, so I bought these Diamantes like rhinestones just from Spotlight. So I'm going to go in and put them in like this little area. What I'm going to do is just grab that glitter glue and dot it there. And I'm just going to use a range of big and small ones because I feel like that looks really good. Okay, so once the rhinestones are on, it's now time to move on to lips. I'm going to take MAC lip liner in the shade Whirl. I'm going to go in with the Mellow Matte liquid lip paint. This is in the shade Tehran. After I put my lipstick on, I'm of course gonna go in with some setting spray. So here we have the finished look. I hope you guys love this look as much as I did creating it. I think it is so cool. Like, I've never done anything like this and I think it turned out pretty well. So next time I do go to a festival, I will definitely be wearing this look. So if you guys did like this look and this video, don't forget to thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!